Naval Base Guam is a vital U.S. naval installation located on Guam's Opera Harbor. It occupies the strategically important Orote Peninsula. In 2009, it merged with Andersen Air Force Base. Together, they formed Joint Region Marianas, a Navy-controlled joint base. The ship repair facility was once a crucial part of the base along Opera Harbor. However, it closed in 1997 due to base realignment decisions. Today, Naval Base Guam hosts Commander Submarine Squadron 15. It's also home to Coast Guard Sector Guam, ensuring maritime safety. Naval Special Warfare Unit 1 operates from the base too. The base supports 28 other tenant commands, creating a diverse military community. It is the home base for many units, including Seabees. The USS Frank Cable provides maintenance and support to submarines. The USS Emory S. Land also supports submarines, enhancing fleet readiness. Coast Guard Sector Guam operates several ships, including USCGC Sequoia. Others include USCGC Myrtle Hazard, and USCGC Oliver Henry. Also, USCGC Frederick Hatch, and USCGC Washington are based there. American forces secured Guam from the Japanese Army on July 21, 1944. This date is known as Liberation Day on Guam. The Seabees built the base on the site of former Marine barracks in Sumi. The Navy designated Naval Base Guam as a Lion Base, a main base for the fleet. It was nicknamed the Pacific Supermarket because of its crucial supply role. USS Minnesota, a Virginia-class submarine, arrived at Naval Base Guam in 2024. Sub-installations include Camp Covington, a key deployment location for Seabees. Naval Base Guam offers many services, including a library and a bowling alley.